Hey everyone, today we're answering a common question for remote entrepreneurs and digital nomads. Can you use LegalZoom with a virtual address and how does it work? Let's break it down clearly and step by step. What type of virtual address works? You must use a real street address, not a PO box. Approved virtual addresses include virtual mailbox services like iPostal One, Anytime Mailbox, co-working spaces with physical mail handling registered agent addresses. Some include mail forwarding. Avoid using USPS PO boxes, non-commercial mail services. When to enter your virtual address on LegalZoom, you'll be asked for two main addresses. Business address, use your virtual address here. This is your company's official location for communication, marketing, and documentation. Registered agent address. LegalZoom provides a registered agent service for a fee. But if your virtual address provider offers registered agent service, you can use that instead. Just be sure it's available in your state. Important reminders. State requirements. Some states have stricter rules and may require a physical presence. Check your state's regulations before proceeding. IRS compliance. When applying for an EIN, the IRS requires a responsible party with a physical address. You can still use a virtual address for business, but your personal address may be needed on IRS forms. If this review helped you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.